Here are 5 ways you can help avoid an invasion of privacy or sexual harassment lawsuit at your salon. Number 1. Know the law. It seems like every day you hear a touchy-feely story about a celebrity who went from noteworthy to pervy. That's touchy-feely in the worst possible way. Getting caught up in either an invasion of privacy or sexual harassment lawsuit could easily be career-ending and financially devastating. That's why it's important for you to know the law and for everyone working in your business to understand that the risks are high, not only for the salon, but also for them personally. Given that salons are often relaxed, friendly places where customers receive a variety of personal services, it requires everyone to be highly professional. And in a world where smartphones are everywhere, it's easy to forget that your business could be one inappropriate text or social media post away from shutting its doors. So know the law and understand the risks. Number 2, run background checks. Background checks, or pre-employment screenings, are an important step to help keep your business, employees, and customers safe. They also help you know that the people you are hiring are who they say they are. Remember that applicants must authorize your business to run a background check and that there are some legal restrictions that vary by state. Number 3, train your employees. Start training your employees immediately on what is considered an invasion of privacy or sexual harassment. It's important that they know how to properly behave and professionally interact with customers. One good policy that can help reduce your liability is to require employees to store their cell phones during work hours. Number 4, privacy means privacy. No one likes a peeping Tom. No, not that kind of peeping Tom. This kind. Yep. It's not only scary, it's also illegal. Your customers require and expect privacy, and as the business owner, you are legally responsible to protect them as much as possible. You can start by walking through your salon and doing some simple checks. Ensure the locks on all rooms and bathrooms work properly and secure the space. Inspect walls and doors for any cracks or openings. Make sure walls or divides are high enough to prevent peering into adjacent rooms. And remember, not everyone wants to be on camera, so make sure your security cameras are aimed away from areas of undressing and used only to monitor common areas. Number 5, be clear and specific about sexual harassment. Often, young people are unclear what constitutes sexual harassment and how technology can make a bad situation even worse. That's why you need to be clear and specific with how employees can interact with each other and your customers. Here are some common policies you can implement to help protect everyone. No sharing or displaying of sexually inappropriate images or videos. No suggestive texts, emails, notes, or letters. No inappropriate touching, staring, whistling, or gestures. No lewd comments, jokes, or sexual anecdotes. That's what she said. No comments about someone's body that would make them feel uncomfortable. No comments about a person's personal romantic experiences. No offensive questions or comments about someone's sexual history or orientation. No verbal sexual advances or propositions. Be clear that if an employee or customer makes an invasion of privacy or sexual harassment complaint, it will be documented and corrective actions will be taken immediately. Taking these preventative measures and making sure your insurance coverage is sufficient to handle the cost of potential litigation claims will help protect your business. Well, that's our top 5. For more information, visit Universal Insurance at uiprograms.com.